Twice Canyon.
Easy one.
I pushed the button. That's right.
There it is.
There we go.
There's a trail right here that comes all the way through here. You know what? I don't remember. There's a sign back there though.
There's our trail. Oh, it goes under that rock.
So you come through the mountain right there and it goes
There we go.
all the way over. Did you see this over here? Yeah. A little more ambitious than me, but
Yeah.
This is the perfect time to do it.
a lot of walking. Yeah, for sure.
There it is.
Well, Chris and Jeff would love that.
You can see all the trails. Goes all the way down. But yeah, good to have a BMX here actually. Yeah. Like double vision. Uh-oh. Well. 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 Hoodoos. Horses are just crapping that all day, aren't they? Worse than a pigeon. Oh yeah. I scarfed it already. Yeah, yes. Chipmunk. That's what we've just done.
A fraction of what's to come.
The best is yet to come. There's a wall up there. 4 horses going up there. The hooves are pointing upwards. Wow. That sucks for poor old horse, huh? There's a tunnel there. Oh, we did it. You'll see the reward. Here's the reward. That one looks like it's barely hanging on, huh? Is this from your inside trail now?
Yep. I was just thinking that.
Yeah. Hey, check it out.
Like Dr. Seuss trees or something.
Oh yeah. A few forks in the road now.